Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add notes to a task in ClickUp. It's very easy. So let's say we're going to do this for task 1. I just go ahead and click on this task, okay? And it will open up this menu option. If I come here at the bottom, we see this section that says add description. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Of course, you can write it with AI as well. Okay, if you want to write with AI, you can use the / command to write with AI. So I'll write anything, for example, test notes, okay? And you can easily format this, okay? So if I highlight this, I can make this bold, right? I can go ahead and turn it into heading styles. I can make it italic. I can underline it. I can even change the color here as well. So let's change this to pink. There you go. You can add badges. You can do a lot of things. But otherwise, it is really that easy.